This is Nick Boateng. I'm with World for Solar. Just wanted to share with you a testimonial about NOE and Auto PV services. We had a very critical project that was in dire need to make a quick change in foundation design for engineering. Normally, that process takes a couple of weeks, but with NOE services, we were able to get that done in literally 48 hours, and it was actually quite a big difference to make the project go through. So he has the expertise and the connections to make sure that you receive the engineering services that you are looking for, both on the structural and electrical side. Prior to meeting NOE and Auto PV, we were actually really struggling to find a stable engineering solution and also a stable price point. And so after establishing the relationship, we were able to set some solid, reasonable price rates to be able to get the engineering services that we need done. So for some of the other engineering services that we work with, their turnaround times are usually longer, and there's also not as much flexibility for our requests. With NOE and his services, he's very flexible. He's open-minded to have conversations to bring you custom solutions in a very effective and efficient time frame.